Okay, so I am an amateur picker. I've not got really any experience. In fact, I just got this little set today and I just barely made a little bit different tension wrench because I needed a little smaller one. But this is a gun lock. There's not a lot of room in there, but just, I mean, it's locked. And I don't know how else to show it. It is locked. This thing I've opened it up. Just with the most minor, there it is. The most minor movements. And I am super amateur. Like, I've been watching YouTube videos and just bought me a pick set. So that ought to make you feel safe locking up a gun.